Being headless on Roblox is a really cool look that you can get if you purchase the Headless Horseman Roblox package. However, that package is a whopping 31,000 Robux. If you're like me and you don't have that many Robux but you still want to look headless, then this video is for you. Instead of spending up to $400 on Headless, all we need is $5. Or if you can't purchase Robux, all you need is 85 from Please Donate or another game that you can earn Robux from. So let's look for our Headless replacement. All we want to do is go to the marketplace, and then we want to click on Heads and click Heads. And boom, right away we can see this heart head or this half-tilted head. Roblox is going to give you some options that are viable for headless replacements. You just have to look for them. We'll go ahead and try out this half-tilted head, and we can go ahead and buy it. Then, if we click on Customize, it'll take us to our avatar page, where we can then go to Heads, and then select the half-tilted head that we just bought. As you can see, we can still see the fake headless. So, what we want to do is first go to Hair, and we want to select a hair that is black. Once we go there, we can go back to Head and Body, and we can select Skin Tone. After that, we can scroll down to where it says Advanced, and then click on Head, and then click the black color right in between the yellow and the dark gray. And boom, as you can see, the fake headless looks amazing. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like when we go in a game. And boom, look at that. It looks so realistic. And that's how to get fake headless on Roblox. As you can see, it was way cheaper than 31,000 Robux, and it still looks the same. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment down below if this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.